Alright guys, if you are looking for the most powerful LED lights for your 8th gen Civic, Lasfit has got you covered. We just got these Lasfit LSPLUS series LED lights for the 8th gen Civic, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox these and show you guys how bright these things are. They claim these are 700% brighter than your factory halogen bulbs. These right here specifically are 6K, come with a 2-year warranty, are a 2-piece, and have a ton of watts. Nice little packaging from Lasfit, as you can see. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I like it, I like it. Product manual. So as you can see, these are 65 watt per bulb, a total of 130 watts. Man, I really like this packaging they did here. Looks pretty sharp. But this is the Mama Jamba. This is the main event. Pretty decent sized fan. I think these are plastic. They're not aluminum like some of them are. So yeah, it comes with both pairs. I'm gonna unplug the original ones I have now. Well, right now actually I'm running Bosla LED lights, but I'll put the factory ones back in so you guys can see the before and after with the Lasfit LSPLUS series LED lights. Might be too bright. Might be too bright for the public roads because I already get flashed all the time when I'm driving. Alright, just plugged in the Lasfit. It's pretty much plug and play. You use your stock wiring harness, plug it into the ballast, thus in turn powers the LED light. Let's go ahead and turn them on. First try, works good. And I'm looking through the phone, but man, this is extremely bright, and it's white. It's like nice pure white color. The fan doesn't make too much noise. Overall pretty quiet, and it's definitely warming up my fingers. Alright, we got the lights installed right now. As you can see, nice bright light. I actually just need to refinish these lights because the clear coat is kind of fading and restricting some light flow. But let me show you how they look like compared to the stock ones. So as you can see, compared to the OEM, the new ones are much brighter, much more light output. You can clearly see the difference between halogens and the Lasfit lights right over here on this display. Much greater output, but retaining the same kind of parameters as your OEM lights. Driving now is a lot more easier, and if you guys are interested in Lasfit, go ahead, check out their website down below. I ain't here for the money.